Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having broken search results on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and how to just generally troubleshoot the search and indexing feature. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in CMD, best match will come back with command prompt, go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'll have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. I want you to copy the first one. It's going to be the system file checker utility scan. So SFC and then space / scan now. So go ahead and copy that from the description of my video. Go to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that first command's finished, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and then paste it into the command prompt the same way we did the first one. And then just give this one a couple minutes to run as well. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.